Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today, the lecture of math is somewhat different from the routine lectures. Today, we are going to discuss about inclination. In the diagram, horizontal line and line coming downward, the angle is called angle of depression. Horizontal line and a line going upward, the angle subtended is called angle of elevation. Here we will discuss both the angle of depression and angle of elevation in the form of some examples. First, right angle triangle, height h also called perpendicular or normal line. Base x also called the distance between 2 points, and L is hypotenuse or a side opposite to the angle of 90 degree. Now we use three sides, give relation between them. So inclination is here given as theta is equal to tan inverse h over x, mean perpendicular over base, mean height over distance. Example is, at the top of a cliff 80 meter high, the angle of depression of a boat is 12 degree. How far is the boat from cliff? क्लिफ की ऊंचाई 80 मीटर है और जो एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन है वो 12 डिग्री है. बोट और क्लिफ की बेस के दरमियान डिस्टेंस कितना है वो हमने फाइंड करना है. तो क्या करेंगे, क्लिफ के लिए हम एक राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल बनाएंगे, डायग्राम बनाई जाएगी और वहाँ से हम क्लिफ की बेस और बोट यानी कश्ती के दरमियान जो डिस्टेंस है वो फाइंड करेंगे. तो यहाँ डायग्राम के अंदर क्लिफ यानी चट्टान की ऊंचाई 80 मीटर है और हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन और चट्टान की इंक्लिनेशन के दरमियान 12 डिग्री एंगल है. उस 12 डिग्री एंगल को हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन के साथ शिफ्ट किया, इक्वल हुआ करते हैं. और अब फार्मूला यूज़ करेंगे इंक्लिनेशन का. tan 12 डिग्री बराबर है 80 ओवर x, 80 बटे x. tan 12 इज इक्वल टू 0.21255 इज इक्वल टू 80 ओवर x. x equal to 80 over 0.21255. Now we divide 80 by 0.21255. So x is equal to 376.4 meter. It is the distance of boat from the bottom of the cliff. Now dear students, we take another example. For angle of elevation, we take an example. Here the second example for inclination is given as a 20 feet long ladder is leaning against a wall. The bottom of the ladder is 5 feet from the base of the wall. Find the acute angle, mean angle of elevation. Now we construct the diagram and then we will find the angle of elevation. Students, diagram is given as ladder is leaning against a wall. Length of ladder is 20 feet. Base is equal to 5 feet and theta is the angle of inclination, mean angle of elevation. By using these diagram, we find the angle of elevation, mean inclination by using the formula cos theta is equal to base over hypotenuse. Here cos theta is equal to 5 over 20, that is theta is cos inverse 5 over 20, dividing 5 by 20, theta is equal to cos inverse 0.25. It means theta is equal to 75.5 degree. It is the angle of elevation. Now, students, one more example for the inclination is given as a rocket is launched and climbs at a constant angle of 80 degree. Find the altitude, mean height of the rocket after it travels 5000 meter. For from this statement we construct the right angle triangle by using rocket motion. So for the rocket triangle will be constructed as rocket is inclined at an angle of 80 degree, moving the distance 5000 meter. Now we find altitude or height of the rocket. Sin 80 degree is equal to h over 5000 and sin 80 is equal to 0.9848 is equal to h over 5000. Here h is equal to 0.9848 multiplied by 5000. Now by multiplying these values we have here h is equal to 4924 meter. It is the altitude of the rocket. Dear student, good luck. Allah Hafiz.